Welcome to Outdoor Inspirations, everyone. Favorite time of year, Halloween is here. And me and Carmen at our house, what we're doing is setting up our displays. We're one of the early freaky ones that do it in September. We really get into it. And today I'm going to show you a neat attraction we did at the end of the driveway. Carmen had this great idea. We have a culvert that's going under our driveway, and she came up with a theme of maybe doing a Pennywise attraction. So this video we're going to show you what we did for that setup and hopefully inspire you to create something in your own yard. And stay tuned to the end because we've got a really cool prank I did on Carmen. You're going to love it. Let's go! Okay, so getting the supplies, you can get a lot of them online. We chose to go to Dollar Tree to get a few of them, mainly the balloons. Nice red balloon pack here. And to hold the balloon straight up and down, you'll want to get these plastic stakes that hold the balloon upright. Online you can find the Pennywise mask. We went Amazon, and this is a pretty good value mask. Has some slits here and there that I had to account for because I'm backlighting him, so I had to make sure we didn't get a ton of bleed through. And then the nice clown collar, we found that at Party City. I'll have all the links below. And the lighting, I put a nice red Eerie LED behind him. This is an outdoor par 38 LED. And the front, I wanted him very stark and white, so I chose this lamp here because you can adjust the Kelvin color way up there to like 4,000 and 5,000 Kelvin, which is a very bright white. And I had to dig out my culvert because it was pretty filled up with dirt, so I'm cleaning it out and making room for the head to be displayed in front of it. And then I also wanted to open up the grass area some more and fill it with rock so it could showcase the head even more. And for stuffing of the mask, just use anything you have left over that'll be okay getting wet outside. I chose some leftover bubble wrap that I had. And to keep the mask upright, I found a ground stake that's used in lighting, outdoor lighting, and I'm stuffing it into the mask, and I'm going to secure that with some construction adhesive, and that'll set up overnight and harden and help keep it stable. The hand I had left over for Halloween, just any hand will do. I'm putting a PVC pipe in there to enable it to be buried. And the mask here, I'm adding some string LED battery operated. You don't have to do this, but I chose to just add it to the front of the mask, and at night it kind of pops, you know, in the mask and makes it look kind of creepy and eerie. Also kind of looks like brains. You can kind of see his brains through the mask. It was kind of neat. And with the neck ruffle, it starts to look like the character even more. And with the hand, Party City again, we got these white gloves so we can cover this particular hand to make it look like it's his own as it comes out of the ground. And we'll put the balloon in place so it looks like he's holding it. Alright, now blowing up the balloon time. Here I have a really big balloon that we started with. It ended up being too
too big and kind of heavy, so it really teeter-totted the stake over. We actually had to put another PVC pipe over that balloon stake to keep it even more rigid. Here Carmen's putting together the balloon staking. And it does a good job holding various balloon sizes. We found a little bit smaller was better for wind, etc. I'm putting the lighting behind in the culvert, and that'll backlight the head really nicely. Added some rocks to kind of highlight the frontage of him, so it's nice and stable, like his head's popping out. You can cover the stake a little bit with the ruffle, neck ruffle there. And here I'm digging out a little hole for the PVC part of the hand to come in and be stable there. So he's starting to come alive, and adding that balloon staking, like I mentioned, we did go back and add like a 1/2-inch PVC sleeve, as you see here, and that keeps it really nice and rigid for wind. We had it blow over a few times. Added some caution tape to get people's attention. And look at there, look at that really nice backdrop of LED red. Helps, you know, make the character become a little bit three-dimensional, adds to the eeriness, and really cool effect. Carmen's idea was really a good one. And, you know, all the kids, as they come up the road, will see this first, and it's kind of a neat add-on that we had to our Halloween display.
Roses are red, violets are blue. You better hide or I'm gonna catch you.
Yeah, we love these really big ones because they add to the effect. And man, we were at Home Depot and they had damn 13, 15, 20-foot ones. It was crazy. They just keep getting bigger and bigger every year. We've got the hot tub Skelly Boy chilling like a villain right here. Put a green light in this fountain. By the way, we built this fountain in an earlier video. Check it out right here. It's a really cool video how we built this one. But yeah, so we just went back, added a green LED into the water, pointed it up, and it looks like he's chilling in a hot tub. You know, kind of those things you just create as you see areas that'll make an interesting look as people come, you know, to your front door. But yeah, we just wanted to show you a few little things we did to spice up, you know, a simple Halloween display. Nothing crazy. You know, more is more. Please show us what you've did in the comments. Please suggest some new tips and tricks you're doing for Halloween. And we'll hope to see you soon.
Okay, I got some mess here. I think I'm gonna try to scare Carmen real quick.
Ha ha ha!